Right, this is the plan. I'm going to rip 12 rhombuses on my table saw, and the height of well, the length of these sides is the maximum size that you can do this is going to be limited by your table saw. So the length of one of these sides is going to be, on my table saw, about 76 millimeters is the most I can rip. No, it's at an angle, so it'll be less. I'm not sure. I'll figure that out. But that's going to be the limiting factor. So I'm going to rip 12 rhombuses and stick them together in this pattern. A star, a six-sided star in the centre, and 12 outside rhombuses, 12 outside rhombuses. Sorry. And glue all that up with paper glue joints. And this is going to be twice the size of the three-sided box that we're going to end up with. We're going to end up with two three-sided boxes. So we've got 12 rhombuses, 6 on the inside, 6 on the outside, and we're just going to turn that round. The whole thing, once it's glued up, we're going to turn it round, so this diameter is twice the diameter of the final three-sided boxes that you're going to get. So as big as I can go, I think it's about 7 inches, so 3.5 inch diameter. So that's from there to there, it'll be 3.5 inches, I think. If that was round, if you see what I mean, if that was round, the smaller hexagon inside here, so 3.5 inches that would be. So it'll give me a box that was coming out of a 3.5 inch blank. But we've got to do that. To do two of them, we do a 7 inch hexagon. Well, once it's turned down, it's 7 inch. So you just turn a normal box, you know, part off a lid, part for a lid. We'll turn it round, part off a lid, hollow it, make the lid, you know, use it as a jam chuck for the lid, you know, fit the lid, just a normal box turning, in other words. Then once that's turned and you've got a big giant box, 7 inch box, however long you want it, you've got to allow for, you know, your parting cuts normal. Split apart your paper glue joints. I found the easiest way to do that is just pour some alcohol down the paper glue joints, and it weakens the paper and you can just break it apart. I might reinforce this with tape while I'm turning it. Turn a part of it, tape it, turn another part, tape it, and then just so that the joints can't split while you're turning. Right, finally you've got to remove what's left of these 6 inside rhombuses, and so you're just left with the 6 outside rhombuses. And then if you look, that this one here, we rotate it in and it becomes this side of a 3-sided box, and this one here we rotate it in and it becomes this side of a 3-sided box. The same with the lid, and you'll have to remember which goes with which, I guess, just in case there's small deviations. But same on this side, rotate this one in, rotate that one in, and you've got another 3-sided box down here, and the lid and everything, and it should just all fit together and give you 2 3-sided boxes with 3-sided hollowing. What it'll look like, I mean, it's a cheat, because you know you're going to make these glue joints are going to be pretty invisible if everything's done accurately on the table saw. And yeah, you'll end up with 2 3-sided hollowed, three-sided hollowing boxes with a lid, and the lid with a three-sided stopper, you know. So that's the plan. I probably won't do it for another week or so because I'm just obsessed with the oval turning at the moment, but I'll get onto it hopefully before this challenge ends. Thanks for watching.